Alright guys, so it's currently midnight right now. And the reason why I'm starting my vlog early is because I want to like record, show you guys some vlog footage of me playing the Ouija board. So let's get to it right now. Alright guys, I'm just gonna turn off the lights for that. So you guys can see me in the Ouija board. Let's get to it. Alright. Hope we have good footage of it. Let me move that freaking thing out of the way. Yes, let's do it. Alright. Here you go. Move the planchette over there. Now let's do it. Are there any spirits out there that would like to contact me? Yes or no? Yes. Alright, what is your name, spirit? Zed. Oh god, please tell me it's not Zozo. Oh. Zed. Oh. Are you a good spirit? Yes or no? No. This is so scary. Alright. Can I just say goodbye? Am I able to say goodbye? No. O R D E A T H. Yeah, right. Zozo, I'm done with your stupid negative comments. Just like, I know you're just like the king of hell though, so why don't you just let me say goodbye. I don't want to talk to you ever. D I E N O W. What's up guys, how are y'all doing today? So I woke up like a couple hours ago, so I'm just in my house right now, so yep. What is it that I'm having again?
A Panzerotti.
Cool. Look at this. Looks good. Just checking out the new renovation. It looks really good right now. Look, see guys? See how nice it looks right now? Just watched a show with my dad.
Watch.
Corvette C1, everyone. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap that up for today's vlog. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a new video every single day. If you did enjoy, smash that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.